What if I told you that the thing you think gives you pleasure is actually stealing your power? Every single day, lust is robbing you blind, and you're letting it happen. You think you're just watching, but the truth is, it's watching you. You've tried to quit before, and you failed. Not because you're weak, but because you were fighting the wrong battle. I am about to give you 5 simple habits, not 10, not 20. Only 5 habits that will change your life completely. And if you want to change your life, then join us. Number 1, the first 24 hours are the hardest. When you decide to quit, your brain will panic. It'll scream at you, make excuses, tell you lies. Just one more time. You've had a hard day. This is impossible. Don't listen. The first 24 hours are a battlefield, but if you can win today, you can win tomorrow. And if you can win tomorrow, you can win this week. Delete everything right now. Every app, every bookmark, every hidden folder. Burn the bridges. Make it impossible to go back in a moment of weakness, because that moment is coming. Be ready. Number 2, your brain is lying to you. Your brain tells you, just this once won't hurt. You deserve this. You'll start tomorrow. These aren't your thoughts. They're your addiction talking. Because here's what science shows. Your brain physically changes when you watch porn. The part that makes decisions, it shrinks. The part that craves, it grows. You're not battling temptation. You're battling brain chemistry. And the only way to fix it is to starve the craving and feed your willpower. Every time you say no, you're literally rebuilding your brain. It takes time, but it happens. Your brain can heal. Number 3, replace, don't just resist. Here's where most people fail. They try to fight lust with willpower alone. But you can't win a war by just defending. You have to attack. When the urge hits, don't just sit there clenching your fists. Move your body. Call a friend. Read something powerful. Pray. Work on your goals. Remember this. An empty mind is lust's playground. Fill it with something better, or lust will fill it for you. Number 4, you're fighting for your future. This isn't just about quitting corn. It's about becoming the person you're supposed to be. The person who keeps promises to themselves, who controls their impulses, who shows up fully in their relationships. Every day you stay clean, you're building that person, one choice at a time. Your future partner deserves someone who chose them over a screen. Your future career deserves the focus you're wasting. Your future self deserves the respect you're giving away. This is your fight, and you're worth fighting for. Number 5. It destroys real connection. Here's what nobody tells you. Corn teaches you to use people as objects. You're training your brain that intimacy is about taking, not connecting. That bodies are products, not people. And then you wonder why your real relationships feel empty. Why you can't be present with someone who actually cares about you. You can't connect deeply with a real person when you've trained your brain on pixels. The screen is stealing your ability to love, to be vulnerable, to actually feel. And the worst part, you don't even notice it's happening until it's gone. Here's the truth. Information alone won't change you. Decision will. And right now you have a choice. Keep scrolling, keep struggling, keep losing, or draw a line right here and say enough. Every 2 days on this channel, we hand you a new weapon against everything stealing your potential. One video at a time, one win at a time. If you're ready to fight for the life you actually deserve, subscribe. The battle starts now.